After a very unsuccessful day yesterday, by not finding my camera, I decided to reward myself with paragliding. Yes, I am still in San Gil, Colombia, the outdoor adventure capital of Colombia, and we're just outside all the time, baby. Speaking of being outside, paragliding is all outside. I don't know if you know what paragliding is, but I didn't know before I came here. It's where you're in like a parachute and you jump off a cliff and you just float in the air.
Oh, this is insane. This is one of the craziest things I've ever done.
That's insane. I don't know, like this whole week has been crazy for me, but paragliding, I'm gonna be soaring through the sky. I'll be as high as 2,000 meters up in the air with 2,000 meters below me to crash and fall if anything goes wrong. My heart has been pumping constantly since I got to San Gil, and I'm loving it. My heart is really beating now that we're at the top of this canyon. We're at Chicamocha Canyon. It has been formed over 1,000 years. We're above 1,000 meters of the canyon, and we'll go even 1,000 meters more above the canyon. 1,000. Whew, and my heart is beating. I normally don't do so touristic things, but when in Colombia, you gotta do as a Colombians. And it's really all about getting out of your comfort zone, because being this high up, I am uncomfortable. Now I really have to lock in and get in the zone because, I'm not afraid of heights, right? I've been on tall buildings, I've been on top of mountains, I've been on top of volcanoes, on top of waterfalls, dangling my feet over the water. But this is not normal, guys. This is not like normal human stuff. You're gonna be soaring in the clouds like a bird, and I really just gotta lock in and focus. But I haven't really been this nervous for an activity like in a very long time. So, let's do it. But before we do it, we need some instructions from our handy guide.
Place we are around 1,500 meters where the level is sea, and you are going to fly between 1,000 to 3,000 meters, okay? We are going to start here at the flight track, and the idea is come here again. Sometimes when it's not possible for the water, the pilot has a plan B, that is land next to the river or in the Chicamocha Park. If that happens, you have to walk like 3 hours or more. Nah, just kidding. The boss is gonna go for you, okay? Don't worry about it.
I've been traveling with Sam for about 3 days now. Sam, are you scared?
Am I scared? Nah, bro. Look at this. It's not even that high. I thought we were going to be like up there, like 2,000 meters up high, but this is lightweight.
Are y'all scared?
Yeah, a little bit scared, but I mean, it's not real. Life's not real. Life's what you make it.
Life is what you make it.
We're not scared, we're excited. We're excited, it's gonna be good.
Fair. Are you scared?
A little bit, but it's actually not as bad now we're up here. I don't know, I think I was expecting worse, but it's okay.
That's for fun.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I feel great. Scared or no?
Super damn excited, but like, a little bit nervous maybe.
They're all a lot braver than I am because I am shaking in my boots.
Little wimp.
This is this is very scary, guys. This is very scary. This is very scary.
Look, guys, just running down. Yo! Oh my flipping face.
It's insane. Run!
Shit. That's wild. How am I getting back up?
Good question. No idea, but
Because it looks like it's just going down. Maybe get back up. Should be able to catch this one. Oh,
look at them, guys. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, that makes
Thank
I
you.
think that's now 2,000 meters.
Oh, for sure, no. Not even close, bud. Not even close. So I don't know if you can see on my camera, but there is someone right there in the middle of the screen. have to, and I don't think they're gonna be able to make it back up. He's trying to circle to try to get some hot air, but I don't think they're gonna make it back up. There is a road right there, so maybe they're gonna try to land near that and just hop in the bus. But sheesh.
Okay, bye.
So where did they land?
Down there somewhere, but they're together, that's it. But
Oh, both of them.
they said they're walking. I don't think the bus is gonna pick them up.
So that was a phone call with someone who just went up in the air, and they did not land where we are back here. And so they went out, flew out, right? And they couldn't catch enough thermal heat for the hot air rises and to fly to make it back to the spot. So they landed in the valley. So they are somewhere in the valley. The rescue van just went out to go get them, and hope that doesn't happen to me. How we feel now?
I feel sick, yeah.
I felt super queasy.
Really? Yeah. Damn.
I thought I was gonna shit myself at one point.
Where did y'all land at? Really? Sheesh. All right, baby. We're walking on the turf right now. Muy loco. Sí. Diego. Mucho gusto, Diego. It's crazy. Crazy. Me and my boy Diego about to go.
Espera.
Ya, espera.
¿Hablas español?
Sí, un poquito, pero. Alright, guys, we're up here in the air right now. We are flying. Feet is not even near the ground. Oh my gosh. It is crazy. Great, look at how we're bobbing and weaving. Look at this! Wow. Oh, it's so wild. She's actually crazy. Oh, we're catching some air right now. Woo. Oh, I'm loving it. Guys, we are out here. Me and Diego are out here. We're soaring super high. Woo! Oh, this is insane. This is one of the craziest things I've ever done. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Straight floating, man. Straight floating. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Air galore. Woo, look at this. Oh, we just got an airstream. Oh my gosh. We are high up in the whole clouds. Woo-wee. Wow. Oh yeah, Diego. Oh, that was crazy. We are out here, guys. Really out here. Having an absolute blast.
face.
Just landed. Woo! Diego, man, that was insane. Insane. Look at this valley, guys. Look at the valley that we're in. Wow. Woo-wee. I'm still riding that high right now. And I got like, a day to write it down. Wow. Just got off. That was absolutely the funnest thing that I have ever did in my whole entire life. I was up there screaming galore. The views that you get is stunning. So normally when you want to get this high, right? You want to get like 3,000 plus meters up in the air, you have to hike, right? And y'all see me hike plenty of times before, but this one was like, you're just up like a bird, brother. Birds are around you. You're seeing everything. You're seeing the valley. You're seeing the mountains. Ooh, that was so fun, guys. I mean, it was so fun. It's like I don't know how to like describe how fun it was. And like I said, this is a very touristic thing to me because when you do this, like you don't get to experience the culture, blah 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 blah. But I'm in San Gil, baby, the outdoor capital activity of Colombia, and I am so glad that I did it. It was really good. But I'll see y'all in the next one. I'll still be in San Gil for a little bit. Let's see if I can dip my toes in some more. Don't know for sure yet, but happy travels.